vizio M65 C1. So when I plug the TV to the power, you can see this light is flashing. If I push the power button, which is one of this one, the last or the first one, there is no response to the power button. Or just let's check first. So here the voltage, we have the first one is a 5 volt to 3.5 volt. So here we should have like, you can see the voltage is go up and down, it's not stable. There is some voltage, but it's not stable. So if we go to the, this is 12 volt, but for this model is a 19 volt. Supposed to find in this pen 19 volt. You can see it is not stable at all. So I'm gonna unplug the cord from the main board, plus I'm gonna plug the backlight power. So I'm gonna plug back the power board again, and let's measure the voltage. So we don't have no 5 volt or 3.5 volt here, and 19 volt. So we have 19 volt, but it's not stable. You can see it's like it's going up and down. So here it's nothing here. So for this problem, I did see it before, and I did fix it before. And let me show you what's going on with this board, just to make a short video. So it was a little crack around this this pen here, the D9103. So it was a little crack over there, and it was a little crack on this chamfer. So already add more solder over there, and there is another problem. So we're gonna look at this resistor here, the R9114. This is an open resistor. This is the value of this resistor is a 1 ohm. So let's look at it at the microscope. So that's the resistor R9114, and you can see there is a little crack on that resistor. So that resistor is connecting to this diode here. Yeah, see, if we follow that resistor, that line, so that's a side of the diode is connecting to this diode D9103. A lot of times this diode is shorted and cause this resistor to open. So let's test this diode and see if it's shorted. So this is the bad ones. So this resistor, this is open, but this one here, show the screen, it is like is the very low ohm. This is just 1 ohm. And this diode here, this is the bad diode. So here it's 0.5, but if we flip it, it's still giving us some reading. It shouldn't be. But this is the good diode, the replacement one that I'm going to use. So is an open line here, but here we have 0.5. So this is the good diode. It's not like this one is give us the reading in both sides. So I'm going to install this these two parts Then see if that's gonna fix the problem. So if we follow this line here, let's go from the transformer. This is the feedback, I think. So let's go from the transformer. Let's go to this resistor, then go to this diode, go on this capacitor, and just keep going to this diode. Then let's go to this resistor, and let's go to this IC. And this IC is feeding this MOSFET. Yeah, so from the beginning, if you look at this area, you can see that brownish over there. It means this area was like getting hot. So let's test the voltage here. So now we have 5 volt. We have 19 volt is stable. So I put the, so I'm checking the voltage in the, we have that red light over there, the standby. So I'm going to push the power button. We can have the white light here. The blue and the red light, both of them is on. The power supply on pin, we have 3.6 volt, and I did see some backlight. You can see in that little dot there is the backlight over there, is on. So let me see if we have picture. Yeah, we have no signal over there. So I guess this TV is fixed.